Good afternoon, everyone. This is a short video of where I used to stay when I was at primary school. It's part of Fyvie Castle Estate, Aberdeenshire, Scotland, and this is a whole sawmill that I used to walk past every morning and every night when I went to school. So me and my friend Ian decided to go up one day not long ago and do a video of the whole sawmill which you see here, plus Fyvie churchyard and all the other places. And it'll come out not too bad, I think. So quite happy really. Now hope you all like what you're seeing, because I would like to ask you to subscribe to my channel, plus take a like. That's all. That would help me a lot. Thank you very much. I want to thank you all very much for watching. I hope you've really enjoyed it. There might be another one come time, I don't know. It will be down to my friend Ian as well. But I really thank you very much for all watching. Please remember to subscribe to my channel and like and leave whatever comments you like, good or bad. So I'm thinking this will be donated to Fyvie Estate and the village of Fyvie. Thank you all very much for watching.